if you want to go ahead and quickly make a website, then what you can actually do is you can utilize a tool called Strikingly, which is an online tool that you can run from your browser to create a website without coding in minutes. So to access Strikingly, you need to go to strikingly.com on the browser of your choice. Then to make a new account in order for you to start creating website, you can go around over here and then register for an account. So you can go ahead right here, let's say for example, and let me just go ahead and enter out my email address right here, just like this. And you can go ahead and then create out a password as you like as well and click on get started. So once you do that, what happens is that you can simply go ahead and click on start editing right here, just like this on, let's say for example, a template of your choice, or you can even go ahead and generate a site using AI as well. So you can see that it asks me to confirm that I'm not a robot. And once that is done, as you choose a particular, let's say for example, the site right here, you can see that this is what you have. So now you can see that you can go ahead and edit this out as you want using Strikingly right here, just like this. So now apart from that, once you go ahead and sign up, you also get an email right here, just like this from Strikingly team saying that you have to click on this to verify the email address. Let me just go ahead and click right here. And then it says the email has been verified, as you can see right here, and you can go ahead and start creating your website right here. So now what I'm going to do is, let's say for example, you can see that I am signed in right here, just like this. Let's just go ahead and log out right here. So let's say I want to go ahead and then let's say for example, login right here. So I'm going to go to Strikingly right here, just like this. And in order to log in to my existing account, I can simply go ahead and click on login. Let's say for example, right here, and then you can enter out your username and password right here and click on log in. And then what happens is that you simply get to your dashboard right here, just like this, where you can go ahead and see your sites right here, just like this. And then you can go ahead and access out your dashboard. So throughout this tutorial series, we're going to go ahead and see how we can utilize this tool to create a site without coding. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.